This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Mary Ross Ellsworth. The Gables at the Riverfront, a single-family condo with 3,456 square feet, 5 bedrooms plus 3.5 baths. 3 fireplaces, open floor plan/wood flooring on first floor. Primary ensuite with extra sitting area and fireplace, bath has private fireplace. 3 RD. Floor offers a private suite with a full bath/has separate heat and air. Large kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, gas cooktop. Community pier, with gazebo, canoes you can check out. This riverfront, golf course, resort-style community offers amenities you love right here. Golf, volleyball, swimming pools, clubhouse, waterfront parks, playgrounds, miles of walking and biking trails, and a full-time activities director offer year-round fun for the whole family. This community is conveniently located in Northern Suffolk West/easy access to I-664 minutes to all military bases. For more information, review the details below.